Hello students, I am Parvesh and today I am here to teach you your English book English Rose. And today I am going to tell you the story of the chapter Salam Namaste. Salam Namaste is written by Sudha Murthy, the chairperson of Infosys Foundation, the foundation that works for the poor and needy. In this story, she is sharing her experience. She tells us that they used to buy books for slum schools in Bangalore, and they used to buy books from Sheikh Muhammad's shop. There was a shop near her office, and it was a small shop, but they used to buy books from that shop, and they picked up books from Sheikh Muhammad's shop and informed him when the check was ready. They used to pay him by check, and one day Sheikh Muhammad came to office to take his check, and at that time they were celebrating a function in their office, and sweets were being distributed to everyone. At the same time, when Sheikh was there, he was offered the sweet, and he took a couple of sweets and put into his pocket. Seeing this, Sudha Murthy asked him, "Why are you putting a sweet into your pocket? Are you diabetic?" Then he replied that he was not diabetic, but he was taking a sweet for the children. Then Sudha Murthy asked him, "How many children have you?" He replied that he had one daughter, but his niece lived with him. Sudha Murthy asked him again, "Why does your niece live with you?" Then he replied that his sister was a widow, so she lived with him. Then Sudha Murthy asked him again if his sister did any work. Then he replied that yes, she did work, and she was a tailor. She did tailoring at home, and thus they ran their house. Then after some days, Sheikh Muhammad called to Sudha Murthy and asked for a check a few days earlier. And he told that Zubeda, his sister, was suffering from cancer, and they needed money for the operation of the cancer. And he came to office, and he told that he had sold all the jewelries of Zubeda and his wife. And then Sudha Murthy gave him a check of 50,000 rupees, and he thanked Sudha Murthy for it. And after a few days passed, and Sheikh sent a message to Sudha Murthy that operation had gone well. But for a long time there was no message from his side. And one day, when Sudha Murthy was going to office, she saw that Sheikh was sitting in the reception, and there was a 4-year-old little girl with him. Sudha Murthy asked him about the condition of Zubeda. Then he replied that they could not save Zubeda, and Zubeda passed a fortnight ago. At that time, when he was telling about Zubeda, he was very sad, and there were tears in his eyes. And then Sudha Murthy asked about the girl. Then he told that this girl was Tabassum, the daughter of Zubeda. And then Sudha Murthy gave her a biscuit, and she asked for another biscuit for Amina. Then Sudha Murthy smiled and yes, of course, and she said her that she could take another biscuit. And then Sheikh Muhammad said to the girl, "बेटी, अम्मी ने कहा था ना मैडम को सलाम बोलना, तो अम्मी का सलाम बोलो." And then the girl said to Sudha Murthy, "Madam, Ammi ka salam." And hearing these words from her mouth, Sudhamurti was set. And then after this, Sheikh Mohammed pulled out an envelope from his bag and handed it to Sudhamurti. Sudhamurti opened the envelope and saw that there were 3,000 rupees in it. Sheikh Mohammed told Sudhamurti that this is the rest money. We could use only 47,000 for the treatment of Zubeda. And then, seeing the envelope, Sudhamurti was surprised that how he was returning the rest money. And then she saw the envelope, and then to the Tabashum, the daughter of Zubeda, and she returned the envelope to Sheikh, saying that this is for Tabashum, and if he needed any help for Tabashum, he could ask to Sudhamurti. And thus this was the story of Salam Namaste.